Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace this Lexus car's clock. And now I have wrong clock in my car and I like to change that. And firstly I have to be in here my key, and then I need to press that engine start and stop button in that way. And then next one we have to see this our dashboard's text, and then we need to press info button in that way. And there we can see in this up area adjust clock in that way. And then when we are adjusting that clock, we can press that hours or minutes or even seconds, like in 00 seconds button, and same time we can check this in real time. Now in my time is 10 and 19, and if I like to change like 11, I press once in that, and same time this clock immediately changes. Let's press, and now there's 11:19. And then when I like to press this 0 button, that means that now there's 11:00, this button in that way. And then if I like to change my minutes, like in 11 and 5, I can press that like 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And now we have new time in there, 11 and 5, and final part is to press that info button in that way, and now we have new time in here. Okay, that kind of information to you, my friend, and thumbs up, and see you in next movie.